Hey y'all, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, I'm going to show you how to get free but legal TV using an amplified indoor HD TV antenna. Let's get started. So some people may not realize this, but it's possible to get free TV using an indoor antenna. Now, this is totally legal TV, it's full HD, and it's easy to hook up. I'm going to show you how. Alright, so the antenna we're going to be using today is a Vansky brand. Got this off of Amazon, pretty cheap, about 20 bucks. This is an amplified antenna, has a power cord, amplifier, the antenna itself, and it also comes with instructions. So it's pretty easy to hook this up. All you have to do is look on the back of your TV and find your tuner connection. This is what it looks like. We'll usually have a label on it. This one says antenna in. Now to hook this up, we have an amplifier. It has a male coax connection on one end, female connection on the other end. The smaller connection will connect to your TV. The power supply will connect to the amplifier. This one says DC in on it. Small connection right there. Then your antenna also has a coax connection that you will hook to the other end of the amplifier. Once you get those connections made, you program your TV to receive the HD TV signal and you start watching free TV. Different TVs will do this differently, depending on what model you have. You'll want to look in your owner's manual. But in general, you're looking for auto programming. Mine has it in the broadcasting tab of my menu. Go to auto program, hit enter, and it should automatically program all your channels in that you get locally. Now if it asks you what you want to scan, you want to scan air. If you also have cable TV and you have it hooked up, you can also do both on my particular TV, and it will do both of them and set those channels in. I'm only doing air because I'm only doing local, over-the-air HD TV channels. Once it completes its auto programming, you're ready to watch TV. So here locally, we get about 20 some channels. And you may be asking, if I can stream TV or if I can get it off of cable, why would I want to have an over-the-air antenna? We do most of our TV watching by streaming it, either over YouTube or Netflix or any of the other services. And there have been times like during a storm when we needed to watch a local channel and we couldn't do it. So that's why we wanted this for emergency situations where the internet is down and we can't watch TV. We can watch it on the antenna. One last note, your antenna reception may vary by your location. You may have to try moving your antenna around in different places to get better signals. And once you move it around, you want to auto program it again so you can store those channels in your guide. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, might I suggest this one?